Get ready for a world of innovation on two wheels. In today's video, we count down 14 incredible bicycle inventions that you haven't seen yet. Mind-blowing upgrades that push the limits of cycling. From futuristic safety gadgets and compact folding designs to smart tech that transforms every ride, these inventions change the way we move. Number 1. Kamingo E-bike Kit. Change any regular bicycle into a powerful electric ride with up to 750 watt peak power in just 10 seconds and drive 55 miles at 90-kilometer range. Ultra simple snap-on. Snap-off design requires no tools. Set it up once in 3 minutes, then attach or remove it instantly. 3 intuitive ride modes include cruise for full electric throttle, assist for pedal boost efficiency, and standby to maintain a natural bike experience. Kamingo weighs only 2.3 kilograms and remains sleek, slim, blending into your bike like a standard water bottle. Safety features include EV-grade cells, water resistance, PATI stability, and regenerative braking. Magnetic fast charging, quiet operation, and even power bank capability make Kamingo a smarter, stronger, surprisingly futuristic bike. Number 2. Bike alarm. The WSDCam 113 decimal bike alarm is a powerful and reliable safety solution that fits bikes, e-bikes, motorcycles, scooters, and more. Its advanced vibration motion sensor has 7 adjustable sensitivity levels and 3 volume levels, offering protection tailored for any environment. With its IP55 rating, the waterproof device gives faultless performance in heavy rain or extreme weather. The remote it comes with allows for easy wireless control, up to a distance of 66 feet, to quickly arm, disarm, or adjust. The useful vehicle search function employs 3 selectable alarm tones to locate your ride in noisy parking areas. This is the best in the industry, with solid construction, battery-saving features, and refined sensor technology. An affordable yet effective deterrent, it keeps your ride safe for just $18.98. Number 3. VabsRider. The VabsRider by Ataraxy BSC is the first virtual access bicycle seat in the world. It's designed by engineers seeking to redefine comfort and accessibility to cyclists across all levels. Its innovative split seat design lets each leg move independently, each rotating around the hip joints along a virtual axis. This unique motion transfers pressure from the sight bones to the femurs, ensuring an evenly distributed load and significantly reducing discomfort during long rides. The VabsRider is manufactured with aluminum steel rails, a water-resistant synthetic leather cover, and high-density foam padding for durability, grip, and shock absorption. Weighing 2.3 kilograms, it features a secure bolt-on clamp system and unisex design suitable for road bikes, e-bikes, touring, commuting, and exercise bikes. Compatible seat post diameters include 27.2 mm, 30.9 mm, and 31.6 mm, with a 12-month warranty and lifetime rail coverage. A true breakthrough in ergonomic cycling comfort. Number 4. Redcomets USB Rechargeable Bike. The Redcomets USB Rechargeable Bike Handlebar Extender is an intelligent and practical addition that cyclists will appreciate, with a strong handlebar extension combined with a powerful 10,000 mAh portable charger. Supporting 22.5 watts PD fast charging, an iPhone can be charged up to 66% in just 30 minutes, ideal for powering phones, bike lights, or cameras on long rides. Constructed from fully sealed aluminum alloy with a sand-blasted finish, it provides protection against IP65 waterproofing, corrosion-resistant features, and durability in use. Its double silicone straps provide a scratch-free, firm fit on handlebars, tripods, or any other mounting point. Weighing just 257 grams, it's lightweight and pocket-friendly, displaying the remaining battery percentage clearly. Enjoy reliable customer support and versatile usability. This extender is both a practical riding accessory and a thoughtful gift for cycling enthusiasts. Number 5. Extrawheel Bike Trailer Mate. The Extrawheel Bike Trailer Mate, complete with classic premium 100-liter bags, forms the most ultimate adventure-ready hauling system for cyclists. Whether it is shopping trips, commuting in the city, or rugged off-road expeditions, this single-wheel trailer is designed to provide unrivaled stability and reliability. As Extrawheel's flagship model, the Mate provides a full-size wheel that can be easily interchanged with components should your bike wheel ever get damaged in an emergency. Even with a compromised wheel, this lightweight trailer can still reach its destination. Unique in the world, the Mate is the only bike trailer compatible with electric and standard fat bikes. Agile construction guarantees excellent traction, obstacle handling, and smooth off-road performance. Classic premium 100-liter bags included, made of extremely resistant German cordura, waterproof, water-resistant, and practically indestructible. Taped seams and triple click fix mounts ensure reliable storage even in heavy rain. Both the trailer and the bags boast modern design elements, high visibility reflectors, and a solid build, all proudly made in Poland with a 5-year warranty and support. Ideal for the most demanding adventure seekers in search of strength, adaptability, and absolute reliability. Number 6. SOOCOO S50+i. The SOOCOO S50+ is a versatile cycling camera designed for clarity, reliability, and convenience in capturing your rides. It has 1080p plus 1080p front and rear dual-channel recording, so that no exciting moment or detail is missed. Or you can switch to a 4K front single-channel mode for even more ultra-detailed footage. With a wide-angle 170-degree lens, it gives expansive, immersive shots perfectly suitable for cycling photography. Equipped with a powerful 2,400 mAh battery, the S50+ offers up to 4 hours of continuous recording, eliminating any power concerns during long-distance rides. Supporting up to 256GB microSD cards, it leaves you with ample storage for extended adventures. With the IP66 waterproof rating, it withstands rain, splashes, and tough outdoor conditions. The built-in Wi-Fi app remote control enables easy playback, adjustments, and downloads directly from your smartphone. The conclusion is that the SOOCOO S50+ is more than just a camera. It's your reliable, stylish, and high-performing companion on every ride. Number 7. Lezyne Laser Drive. The Lezyne Laser Drive is an ingeniously engineered rear bicycle light, adding a futuristic layer of safety to every ride. But the standout feature is a pair of red laser beams that project clear guiding lines on the road, creating your own virtual bike lane for enhanced visibility. In addition, 4 ultra-bright LEDs pump out as much as 250 lumens with 9 lighting modes, including daytime flash for maximum daytime safety. Its extended lens provides 180-degree visibility, while the lightweight co-molded body is IPX7 waterproof in harsh weather. Compatible with both aero and round seat posts, it uses a micro USB rechargeable 520 mAh battery, offering up to 17.5 hours of runtime. Compact at just 71 grams, the Laser Drive is a powerful, innovative lighting solution priced at $64.99. Number 8. Handlebar Bike Mirror. The Hofni HF-MR095. Handlebar Bike Mirror is a top-quality safety accessory that gives cyclists a clearer and safer ride. Constructed with HD glass and a wide-angle convex lens, it provides sharp, anti-glare reflections that enable you to instantly locate cars, riders, and traffic. Made from high-impact nylon, the mirror is durable, scratch-resistant, and stylish enough for MTBS, e-bikes, cruisers, and commuter bikes. The 360-degree adjustable design allows it to rotate and tilt for the perfect viewing angle. Compatible with 21 to 26 mm handlebars, it fits most flat and cruiser bars, not suitable for drop bars. The shatterproof safety glass is long-lasting, even on the most uneven terrain. Constructed in Taiwan, this mirror is EU REACH and California Proposition 65 compliant for quality and safety assurance. Another smart upgrade for the bicycle at $22.99. Number 9. Auxbeam Tiny Bike Pump. The Auxbeam Tiny Bike Pump is a compact, high-performance electric pump for cyclists who insist on efficiency and convenience. With a robust brushless motor, it inflates the 700 by 23C tire from 0 to 80 psi in 40 seconds, and the 700 by 25C tire up to 120 pounds square inch within 120 seconds, with quiet performance under 50 decibel. Equipped with a digital pressure gauge and auto shutoff, it ensures precise inflation and prevents overinflation, supporting Presta and Schrader valves for road bikes, mountain bikes, e-bikes, and even sports balls. Built with aviation-grade materials, it boasts a 10,000-hour motor lifespan and meets CE/FCC safety standards. At only 108 grams and 2.1 by 1.3 by 3 inches in size, this inflator is portable and can be easily taken in a backpack or pocket. Accessories include several valve adapters, a flexible hose, and a storage bag. A perfect tool for every cyclist, priced at $59.99. Number 10. Proviz Reflect 360 Plus Jacket. The Proviz Reflect 360 Plus Jacket is a real game changer in cycling safety and comfort. Lauded by the Times for its incredible reflectivity, it is the world's first jacket made from a 100% reflective outer shell. Millions of tiny glass beads ensure exceptional visibility at night while retaining a sleek, modest gray look during the day. It features 100% waterproofness, 5,000mm, taped seams, a waterproof storm zip, and a rear spray guard. Airing vents are built in, while a soft cotton mesh lining and a fleece-lined collar offer comfort and climate control. The adjustable waistband and Velcro cuffs ensure a secure fit. With seam-sealed construction inside pockets and CEEN 20471 certification, this jacket effectively marries safety, style, and functionality. Weighing approximately 500 grams, the Reflect 360 Plus is priced at $149.99. Number 11. See.Sense ICON 3. The See.Sense ICON 3 is an intelligent, smart bike light designed to prioritize maximum visibility and safety on every ride. Equipped with built-in smart sensors, it automatically adjusts brightness according to surrounding light conditions to ensure optimum visibility at any time of the day or night. Its compact and aerodynamic design fits easily on most handlebars, while high-intensity LEDs provide a powerful, far-reaching beam. ICON 3 features wireless connectivity, letting riders monitor battery status, customize light modes, and receive theft alerts via the See.Sense app. Built with durable, weather-resistant materials, it can withstand rain and rough rides, making it perfect for commuters, road cyclists, and e-bike users. Lightweight, easy to install, and app-compatible, the See.Sense ICON 3 combines smart technology with practical safety. Priced at $96.09, it's a reliable choice for safer cycling. Number 12. Knog Blinder 1300. The Knog Blinder 1300 is a high-performance bike light designed for cyclists who demand powerful illumination and reliable visibility. With an impressive 1,300 lumens, it throws a bright, sharp, road-focused beam, illuminating as far as 393 feet from your path, making night rides safer and more confident. Its compact CNC design houses the advanced LED technology while remaining sleek and aerodynamic. Equipped with 6 versatile light modes, including EcoFlash for up to 120 hours of runtime, the Blinder 1300 adapts to any riding condition. The USB-C rechargeable battery delivers up to 2 hours on full brightness to extend performance during a long ride. Other welcome features include side visibility windows, a secure mount for over or underbar placement, and IP67 waterproofing for all weather reliability. In addition, for the serious cyclists, there is the Knog Blinder 1300. Lightweight, durable, and easy to install. It will set you back $109.99. Number 13. Lumos Ultra. The Lumos Ultra Smart Bike Helmet is the next generation in cycling safety and visibility. It includes customizable front and rear LED lights with integrated turn signals that clearly indicate your intentions to oncoming vehicles and fellow riders, all controlled wirelessly by a handlebar remote. Connect the helmet to your smartphone to adjust the brightness, customize the LED pattern, sync lights with other helmets, and log rides with the Team Sync feature. A rechargeable battery has a runtime of up to 10 hours and uses a universal USB Type-C cable. The Lumos Ultra combines style, comfort, and safety for adults. Bright LEDs make them visible from every angle. With CPSC certification, one is guaranteed of reliable protection. Perfect for commuters or recreational riders alike, the price of $129.95 makes it a perfect Christmas, birthday, or anniversary gift for any enthusiast cyclist looking for innovation and security. Number 14. Bike Bag Phone Mount. The Rock Bros Bike Bag Phone Mount is a versatile and durable accessory designed to keep your essentials safe and accessible while cycling. Constructed from EVA 3D hard shell material with a carbon fiber finish, it's resistant to deformation, abrasion, and a stylish look on any bike. Its waterproof polyester outer layer and seamless double zippers protect your items from rain and harsh environments, while the hard frame ensures shake-proof stability. The bag features an ultra-sensitive TPU touchscreen that permits the use of GPS, calling, or playing music without taking your phone out. Designed for phones up to 6.8 inches in size, it contains a hidden earphone hole for convenience. Large capacity and mesh compartments store phones, power banks, keys, gloves, and repair kits. Lightweight and practical, this secure product is just $22.66. Thanks for watching our countdown of 14 incredible bicycle inventions you haven't seen yet. If you enjoyed discovering these game-changing ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing tech and innovation videos.